Hi, I'm Eric Brooks, brand specialist with Alpine Electronix, and we're here at the 2019 CES show in Las Vegas, and we're talking about our new ILX-F259. Last year at CES, we introduced the Halo9, which was a universal mount 9-inch display. So with Halo, you got a single DIN chassis that mounted into virtually any vehicle. You have 5 adjustments for height, you have 4 adjustments for tilt, and you have 2 adjustments for depth. So what we've done is expanded this into the ILX-F259. So we now have a single DIN chassis, 9-inch display with adjustable widgets. So we can customize our display, we can change out the different screens to our liking, and there you go. You can also go in and you can change your backgrounds. So you can go in and find photos. You can then set your wallpaper, take user images, crop them, set the wallpaper, and now you have a customized screen. So we have that capability. Also, this is a very fast processor, so you can see that the screen reacts very quickly with its capacitive touch to your finger. It also has sound tuning capability, 9-band parametric EQ, 4-volt preamp output, as well as time correction built in. So this is the ILX-F259 showed at the 2019 CES show in Las Vegas. Thanks for joining us.